Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravy's Brewery with me, Gareth Gaz Gravy. Then guys, as you can see from the pot, and as you can see from the title below, I'm back in the brewery. I'm back brewing again. And once again, as you can see from the title, I'm getting my Christmas brew ready with a Brewdog Cocoa Psycho clone. Now, this is just going to be a clone of the regular Cocoa Psycho, for those of you that know it. I'm not going to be making any additions to this. This is just going to be as is. And on the subject of additions and the recipe, again, those of you that know it, you know that it is quite a big beer. There are the ingredients list. You'll have to forgive the wet patch due to I was laying my spoon on this bag a little earlier. Over nearly 2.5 kilos of grains. And let me tell you guys, it was not an easy, it wasn't an easy mashing, let me put it to you like that. Even a 2 kilo batch wasn't easy. I haven't got my grains out, my hops out just yet. Can't exactly think what they are at the moment. Yeah, I can't think what hops I'm using at the moment. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a little look at this. I will update this as and when. I'm not going to be doing much in the way of brew footage or, probably continuing a little series of small, short videos like this. I think the next one you'll see is when I bottle it in about a week, and I'll let you know the numbers. And guys, that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravy's Brewery, this has been Gareth Gaz Gravy. I'll see you later. Cheers.